Hello friends, my name is Mania Amit. Enrollment number 180200111074. I am study from Government Engineering College, Rajkot. Subject is Advanced Microcontroller and the title of today's PPT is Introduction of Microcontroller and AVR. Our guide is Professor Dr. C.H. Vitlani. Content of our PPT is History of Microcontrollers, Need of Microcontrollers, Basics, List of Microcontroller, Advanced Microcontroller AVR, Family of AVR, and the interfacing with AVR. History of microcontrollers. The first microprocessor was the 4-bit Intel 4004, released in 1971 with the processor of Intel 8008. The Smithsonian Institute says two engineers, Gray and the Michael, succeeded in creating the first microcontroller in 1971. The result of their work is a TMS 1000, which became commercially available in market 1974. The next is a microcontrollers. A microcontrollers is a small computer on a single integrated circuit. They are containing a processor core, memory, and the programmable input-output peripherals. Microcontrollers are used in automatically control product on device such as a automobile, engine control system, implantable medical device, remote control, office machines, appliance, power tools, toys, and others embedded systems. Need of microcontroller. Why we need a microcontroller? Periodically read the temperature. Analog value is a digitalized by a sensor. Use a 4-bit interface. Control heating according to the temperature. Turn heater on or off bit. Display the current temperature on a single 3-bit numerical display. Allow the user to adjust temperature thresholds and be able to configure upgrade the system over a serial interfacing. Microcontroller basics. The basics equipment or a component of a microcontroller. First is the CPU. CPU is the device which is employed of a fetch data, decode it, and it at the end complete the assigned task successfully. The next is the memory. Memory chip store all program and data of microcontroller. Input output ports. Input ports are basically employed to interface of drive different appliances such as a printer, LCD, LED, and etc. ADC. Analog to digital converter. ADC is employed to convert analog signal to digital signal, and the other is a digital to analog converters. This converter execute opposite function that ADC perform. This device is generally employed to service analog appliances like DC, motor, and etc. Serial ports. These ports give a serial interfacing amid a microcontroller and various other peripherals such as a parallel ports. Timers. A kind microcontroller may be inbuilt with the one or more timer or counter. List of microcontrollers. The ARM core processor from many vendors at ARM, Atmel AVR, 8-bit AVR, AVR 30-bit, 89191 SM 30-bit, and the Cypress Semiconductor PCOS programmable system on chip. પછી Intel 8051 microchip PIC 8-bit, PIC 18, PIC 18, 16-bit DISC-PIC 32, PIC 24, and 30-bit PIC 32. NXP semiconductors. There is a different variant LPC 1000, LPC 2000, LPC 3000, LPC 4000. They all are in a 32-bit. And the LPC 900 and the LPC 700 is a 8-bit. Texas Instrument TI MSP 430 is a 16-bit processor. Advanced microcontroller. AVR. AVR was the developed in year 1996 by Atmel Corporation. The architecture of AVR was developed by Alf Egelbogen and the Vegard Wallen. AVR derives its name from its developer and standards for Alf Egelbogen Vegard Wallen RISC microcontroller, also known as a Advanced Virtual RISC. The AT19S8515 was the first microcontroller which was based on AVR architecture. However, the first microcontroller to hit the commercial market was 890S1200 in the 1970. Mm. The next topic of in AVR is the family of AVR. There is a three AVR in the family. First, tiny AVR, mega AVR, and X mega AVR. The first is the tiny AVR. They conduct less memory, size of small size, suitable only for simpler applications. And the next one is the mega AVR. There is the most popular AVR in having good amount of memory up to 256 kb 256 kb, higher number of inbuilt peripherals and is suitable for a moderate to the complex applications. The third one is the next mega sorry X mega AVR, used commercial for a complex application which require large program memory and high speed. So in out of three, the second one mega AVR is the most used in a daily life. There is a Kostock of AVR details. AVR this AVR conduct pins, flash memory, and special features of family of AVR. First one is a tiny AVR. They conduct pins 6 to 32. Flash memory is 0.5 to 8 kb, and the special feature is small in size. Mega AVR. They conduct 28 to 100 pins, 4 to 256 kb memory, and the extend peripherals is their features. X Mega AVR 44 to 100 pins, 6 to 16 to 384 kb, and the DMA event system include there is a features of X Mega AVR. Here the image of Atmel development kit. There is a Atmel AVR kit, and this all are is for a AVR or the IC's components, and props are there, or also the some 8 to 9 switch of LED, and there is a small size LED or a light, you can say that light, the switch and etc thing. There is a 2 HDMI cable port for this kit. Next, some slides of interfacing component with AVR. Then the first one is the interfacing of camera with AVR. Here the camera is connect with the kit or circuit, and there is a circuit. Here a circuit is a memory. They conduct image or video footage or etc. And there is a reset button of a circuit or a kit and etc. There is a socket for a pin connection, and there too is a this one or this one is a IC. Next, interfacing of Arduino with AVR, and here is the 40 pin IC, reset button, USB connect, and the voltage supply for Arduino, and this line of is connecting props, lines for a prop for connecting, the interfacing of a wireless robotic with AVR. In this interfacing, there is a LCD screen for a display a command or to given to the robot to vehicle tire, and the circuitry. There is also conductor, some IC, voltage connection and memory chips also in this connection. Thank you. Thank you for listening.